Akala mo, wala nang mahanap na bahay na maganda, complete na, tapos pasok pa sa budget?
Wow!
Well, surprise! May nakita akong hidden gem dito sa Lipa na baka perfect na para sa'yo. Check out First Park Homes Lipa. Super lapit lang sa The Outlets, SM Lipa, at mga school and hospitals. So convenient for everyday living. At ang turnover unit, complete finish na. As in may vinyl flooring, painted walls, ceiling, toilet and bath with fixtures, kitchen counter, and even a carport. Lilipat ka na lang talaga. May iba't ibang unit option rin. Like Calista Mid, ideal for starter or small families. With 2 bedrooms, 1 toilet and bath, and an open layout na madaling i-customize. Gusto mo ng corner unit? Meron din Calista N with extra space on the side. At kung gusto mo ng mas spacious, meron silang una single attached model na may 3 bedrooms and 2 toilets and baths. Perfect for your growing families. Tapos, yung amenities, grabe! Parang resort vibes. May clubhouse, pool, outdoor cinema, basketball court, at mga team place areas na inspired sa mga larong Pinoy. Ang saya, di ba? So, kung naghahanap ka ng bahay na ready na, secure pa ang location, this might be it. Message mo lang ako and I'll help you to find the best unit. May mga promo kami this month. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Huwag mo nang palampasin to. Baka ito na ang sign na hinihintay mo. I'm Henry Medrano Alblario, property specialist from Hope Team under Rise and Shine. Magandang umaga, Pilipinas.